Hi friends! Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own natural incense cone at home. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple DIY recipe using just a few ingredients. For this blend, we're using 1 tablespoon of dragon's blood powder, 1 tablespoon of Makko powder, a little bit of water, a measuring spoon, a mortar and a pestle, and if you like, you can wear plastic gloves when you're shaping the cones. First, add both powders into your mortar. We're using a 1:1 ratio here, super easy to remember. Before adding any water, give it a good dry mix. This helps the ingredients combine evenly. Now, add water very slowly. Just a little at a time, like a few drops, then mix and check the texture. It's really hard to give you an exact amount because it depends on the powder you're using and even the humidity on the day you're making it. Some days you might need more, some days less. So instead of focusing on measurements, aim for the right consistency, something like a Play-Doh. It should be soft and moldable, but not sticky and wet. Once your mixture feels moldable, take small portions and shape them into cones using your fingers. You can make about 6 to 8 cones from this recipe, depending on the size. I love using natural ingredients in my space, not just for the scent, but for the energy they carry. Synthetic fragrance might smell strong, but they can actually be pretty harsh on your body and your home. So I highly recommend switching to natural incense whenever possible. That said, I totally get it. Natural incense can be pricey. That's why I wanted to share this simple recipe with you. It's easy to make, budget friendly, and you still get all the benefits of natural ingredients. They don't have to be perfect. Handmade is beautiful. Let your cones dry completely before burning. This can take a few days, depending on your room's temperature and humidity. Make sure they're fully dry so they burn evenly. And that's it. Easy, right? I hope you give it a try. It's such a lovely way to bring intentional, natural scent into your space. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your fellow incense lovers. And let me know if you'd like to see more DIY like this. I have so many recipes to share. Thanks for spending time with me today. Until next time, take care and stay grounded.